Quasidb weekly forecast video for this week beginning the 16th of August 2021. Gold is looking like we're going to get a sell signal because of the SSI line and the 21 day. So when it crosses from below, it's a sell, and when it crosses from above, like it did here, it's a buy. So that was the buy, and so that's that. So that's their move. So hopefully that's clear. And if we zoom out a bit, we haven't actually become a buy. We did have this strange little blip there, strange price action. So let's give this as an example. So we had the crossover here, and so they shorted it, up we went, and we had another crossover there, which is the sell, which is likely what we're going to have, like a repetition of this. So the SSI line crossed the 21 day here, and you can see, we did go a little bit sideways. It did fall, and we did fall quite heavily. So there's that crossover, and I think we're going to get a similar thing right now. That crossover happened on July the 30th. So just a heads up for gold. And we've got geopolitics as well, and lots of stuff going on in the news, so do be careful. Look at your pivots, and we are below monthly pivot, so technically we are a sell. Okay, so that's gold. Just want to bring your attention to that, and I'm going to show you S&P, and I'm not going to make it a long video. S&P, so we're seeing a little bit of a sell-off there, and this would be a sell signal there because we've got the 21 day cross. However, we've got a long way before we flip over the 50% line. Alright, so dips are for buying, but if you've got access to this, then you'll know when to buy. It's the FXCM trading station. So there's quite a heavy move going on, which is understandable because there's lots of stuff going on that could affect price negatively, and we were quite skewed as well on the sentiment. I'm just going to wrap up with a DXY chart now. So this is gold and MS1, 1775. If you are trading this, keep an eye on 1775. And DXY, quickly, this is 50% fib. So there's your swing high and swing low, and this is what I'm thinking is going to hold. If we break the 50%, we should have some support on the 61.8 at 92.31. So if we break the 50%, we should bounce here because we've got like a double confluence. If we do continue, we're going to get resistance at 93, which is the round number, which would make sense. And yeah, so let's see how we go. This will perform well in a risk-off scenario. So if we do keep seeing all these headlines, then this should appreciate. And this is the euro weighted dollar index as well. So I think euro is 30 or 40% of this particular index, so it's quite heavily weighted, the euro. And there is a little bit of news even about the euro with Lagarde. She's not going to attend the Jackson Hole, which is unusual. I'm not sure why exactly. Maybe she's ill, I'm not sure, but really, we should see all the heads of the central banks. They should congregate at the Jackson Hole event because it's a major event for central banks. So I'm not sure why she's not attending, but I'd have to read up on the matter. We've got FOMC on Wednesday, and we've got RBNZ as well, and they're the risk events this week. But do keep an eye on the news, and there is some stuff about Biden as well resigning. So if that happens, then we're going to see big volatility. So just trade safely. Use the small position sizes and you'll be fine, and always know where to exit. For example, for me, if I was trading DXY, this would be my exit, and I wouldn't move my stop. It would just simply be there, and if it broke below, that's okay because that's the logic for it. We broke the 61.8, and breaking that, we could come down to test this, which is possible. So I think we could do well in a risk-off scenario, and DXY is going to do well. But time, we'll have to wait and see, and just time will play out, and yeah, we'll just have to wait and see, I guess. So keep an eye on 93 and 61.8 at 92.31. So that's that. Have a good day. I'm away for the rest of the week, so trade safely and you should be fine. If you need me to do any charts today, tomorrow, let me know. If not, then I assume that you're okay for charts. I am going to do the risk calculation every day, and you'll know if it's done because that will update. Okay, I'm probably not going to wake up super early on my holiday, but it will get done once a day. So I'll wrap up now, and I'll speak to you guys soon.